Good morning, everybody. Welcome back into the C Show. Got your boy Chris here. We're going to do another segment of Cooking with Chris. That was a fun little show yesterday, so y'all please remember to subscribe, like, and share. All right, so for this one right here, we're going to still cooking, but it's going to be kind of like some grilling too. I'm going to tell you how to get that steak sauce, that marinade just right, because we know how critical that is to getting that on there and enhancing the flavor of that steak. So go to the store, pick you out some ribeyes. Of course, that's my favorite. You can go whatever kind you want. But to have a good cut of steak, you got to have a cut of meat's got some marbling on it. So it's got to have some fat. That's where it gets a lot of its flavor. You're going to come back and salt and pepper them. And then you want sauce in there, pound it on there, okay? Because we want to get that salt to pierce the skin so that marinade can get down in there, all right? And after you do that, go get some lemons. Yes, lemons. I know it sounds crazy, but cut them up and then squeeze that lemon juice on the steak. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to get our marinade ready, okay? You can go with 3 parts, and I don't care. I don't use no measuring cup. I don't care how you do it. Just don't be stingy with it. Go 1 part dill sauce, 1 part Worcester sauce, and 1 part soy sauce. Yes, soy sauce. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me on this. Pour it in there, mix it up, then put those steaks in there. Your next step is going to be put some barbecue sauce. Yes, barbecue sauce. I know it sounds crazy. Just trust me on this right here. I've been working, trying to get this thing just right for a long time. My favorite's put the smoke flavored on there because it kind of enhances that flavor. Put it on there, spread it out, let it sit for about 10 minutes, flip it over to the other side like that. All right, so get that grill going. About 4 hours later of sitting in there, marinating, and then take them steaks out and throw them on the grill. And after about a minute, you're going to rake what's left that barbecue sauce off there and put some oil first, and then it's going to be butter. Yes, butter. Put that, this is so critical right here. Put that butter on there, some garlic on top. After so it's been cooking 1 minute, flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, and then come back, go 3 minutes, 2 minutes. So it's going to be 4 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other. Should bring it out to a perfect mid-rare. That's how I eat mine. I don't know how to cook them any higher, so you'll have to jump on Google for that. But fix that tater up how you want it. Get you some bread. And Malbec is the wine. It's got heavy tannins with it. And let me know how y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for this episode of Cooking with Chris.